Products. The Main Products tab shows an extensive list of digital technologies, such as software and datasets that have been developed to support the SDGs. You can find more information about the definition and application of each parameter listed in the catalog by clicking on the descriptions. Once you have found a product you want to learn more about, you can hover over the information icon next to the product name to see a brief description of the product. On each product card, you can easily visualize information on endorsements or certifications, mappings to SDGs, and building blocks, find product details such as licensing and repository information, and maturity scores of the product from other reputable organizations. The catalog aims to provide detailed descriptions about the technology platforms listed in the catalog. When you click on a card, you can learn how the product is mapped using other parameters of the SDG Digital Investment Framework, such as SDGs, building blocks, workflows, and use cases. Underneath that, you can scroll to find the sectors the product is used in, which organizations have used it, and any tags. You can also find where the data is sourced from and whether the product has been vetted by organizations like DPGA, WHO, or Digital Square, and other software products that are compatible with this product. You can also learn more about the code repositories and the other software products that are compatible with the product you're viewing. The catalog also includes maturity information, sourced from Dial and Digital Square, to provide data on sustainability, scalability, security, and other metrics. At Dial, we're continually adding useful data to enable deployments of a product. As our repository grows, we look to aggregate data from many sources to provide comprehensive information about these software platforms. If you are a product owner and you want to update information about your product or add relevant information, you can claim your product page by creating an account on the catalog. When signing up, you can request product ownership for a specific product.